Welcome to another NCCD 360 tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new student application in NCCD 360. From the NCCD 360 homepage, use the search bar to find and select the relevant student. Then, click Actions and select Create First NCCD Application. Under Set NCCD Collection, select the student's year level and the relevant NCCD year. Click Add to List. Next, click the plus observation button on the right-hand side of the screen. Select the appropriate disability category, followed by the adjustment level and adjustment type. If the information is particularly important, you can flag it as a major observation at the top of the page. You can also add any relevant comments to provide further context. If needed, you can include additional information under Student Presentation Profile, as well as links to a behavior plan or modified learning plan. Once you have entered the relevant information, click Save. The new observation will now appear in the student's NCCD information profile. From here, click Plus Evidence to add supporting information and documentation. Under NCCD information, select the relevant functional areas and provide an overview of the student's needs. You can then upload files or add links to supporting documents. After uploading a document, classify it and select whether it should be marked as confidential or non-confidential. Once all the information has been added, click Save and Close. The evidence will now appear in the student's profile. You can return at any time to edit the information or download the supporting documents. You can also add an expiry date to documents when required. Thank you for watching.